In the previous lesson, we edit text in our app, but it don't look like in final app. And in this lesson, I will learn you how to change size, color, font, and other attributes of the text. For this hide emulator, choose our first text view and find common attributes. In common attributes, notice the various attributes as a font family, text size, text color, text style. If you haven't these attributes, click the triangle of text appearance. Set the text size, for example 34 sp. sp is as dp but for text. It's very big text size. For this wish, choose 24 for example, maybe 28 or 24. That's okay. Also we can change, for example, text color. For this, click this field to pick a resource, then choose, for example, this color. Also we can choose custom color. For this, click color and then choose custom. And we can choose any color. Okay. Also we can add bold style and we can choose font family. For example, monospace. And for monospace, text size 22, 20. Okay. If you want to add other font, swipe down and click more fonts. Then change style for second text view. It will be italics, it will be 20 sp, and it will be text color purple. And font family casual, for example. And also bold. Not bold. That's okay. Then run your app and look at your result. It's not very good because it's not gold, not John Gold, because I can see gold. Check our text. Yes, John Gold. Maybe it is italic. Italic false, and it will be bold. Also bold. Run app. That's okay. It's our wish, but we haven't any picture to our friend. Maybe it will be your photo, maybe it will be a bright picture, and we will download picture to our project in the next lesson. See you soon.